5 ways to sleep better. Step 1. Lower the temperature. Your body's temperature changes as you fall asleep. By lowering the temperature in your room before you go to bed can help you fall asleep quicker, as your body will cool down quicker. Also, reports show taking a shower before bed will improve sleep efficiency and quality. Step 2. Practice yoga, meditation and mindfulness. When you're stressed, you tend to have difficulty falling asleep. When you meditate, do yoga or practice mindfulness, these essential methods all help to calm the mind and relax the body. Yoga encourages the practice of breathing techniques and tension caught up in your body. Meditation enhances melatonin levels in your brain and puts your brain in a state where sleep is easily achieved. Mindfulness helps you focus on the present, what's happening right now, rather than worrying about the past, and it also helps you function better during the day. Practicing one if not all of these methods will help you achieve a good night's sleep and waking up feeling refreshed and re-energized. Step 3. Make a schedule. By setting a sleep schedule, you can fall asleep easier. Your body has its own system, it's called your body clock, and this cues your body to feel alert during the day but sleepy at night. Going to sleep and waking up at the same time every day will help your internal clock keep to a regular schedule. Once your body adjusts to this, you will fall asleep easier. Also, don't forget 7 to 9 hours sleep is most important to optimize your duration of sleep for an adult. Step 4. Experience daylight and darkness. During the day, exposing your body to bright light tells it to stay alert. At night, darkness promotes the feelings of sleepiness. Darkness will boost your melatonin levels, which is a vital hormone for sleep. So exposing yourself to as much sunlight or artificial light throughout the day, and if possible using blackout curtains or letting very little lighting in at night, is key to achieving a good night's sleep. Step 5. Exercise. Physical activity is key to a good night's sleep, as exercising throughout the day will boost your serotonin levels in your brain and decrease your stress levels. Studies show that working out in the morning promotes better sleep with moderate exercise as opposed to later in the day. Walking, running and cycling are all great ways to boost your serotonin levels for that great night's sleep. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Let me know in the comments if you have tried any of these helpful tips to improve your sleep. Please like and possibly consider subscribing.